The packaging, the cardboard box convertible into a toy for children, can be used with retailers or industrials as packaging. Packaging for their retail items, in the toy trade, or in the online sales on the internet. This packaging can be used for shelving articles, transportation, and home delivery. Retailers and manufacturers stand out from the competition by using this packaging and give a second life to your packaging, a children's toy, the cardboard house. It can be transformed into a carrying case or storage case. They are also recyclable, environmentally friendly, and at a very affordable price. The dimensions, the infographic design, and the different types of models are fully customizable at will. The price of this B2B retail packaging will be very affordable, about €1 per unit. If you are interested in this project, please share it on the internet, and why not participate in my cardboard house project on Kickstarter.com. Crowdfunding. If you wish more commercial information, contact us directly via our website, yourbox2.com.